What's up guys, welcome back to Become Calisthenics. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a front lever. So what is a front lever? First let me show you what it is. That's essentially what a front lever is. This usually takes a lot of shoulder strength, straight arm strength, core strength, and full body strength because you're going to have to hold your body up in a straight line while flexing all of your body. So the first thing I'm going to be teaching you though is the basics of how to get into how to even start the front lever. So the first thing we're going to be doing is shoulder shrugs. Basically is you want to squeeze your scapula down because that's what you're basically going to do when you're in a front lever. So this is what you want to do. You want to hang on the bar and just basically squeeze the scapulas together. Squeeze them down and squeeze them together. Think of it like a shoulder shrug. And then when you get comfortable, you just want to hold it for like 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure your arm is straight the whole time. Flex your core, flex your body, flex your scapula. Because you're gonna need, whenever you're doing a front lever, you're gonna have to engage your scapula the whole time. So after you engage your scapula, you would then go into the tuck. A lot of people usually have trouble when doing the tuck because they don't have enough scapula strength or core strength. So I'm going to be showing you some progressions and some exercises in order for you to get your tuck. So the first thing is, like I said, you would do the shrug and then kind of do a knee raise and then go up. So the tuck basically is tuck front lever. But a lot of people have trouble holding those. So here are some tips for you to be able to get your tuck front lever. So you can do the same thing. Go up fast though. Shrug, go up fast. Rest your knees rest your legs on the bar. Tuck, go all the way up and just descend down slowly. This is called a negative. This will help you build up the strength in order to do a tuck because negatives are important. They'll help you build up the necessary strength to do all the other exercises. So another way is to do them is to do raises. You don't have to hold them. You don't have to hold the tuck. Just do raises. So it is okay to swing on this one until you build up the strength. So go up slowly. Remember, each time you do these, you want to engage your scapula, keep your arm straight the whole time, and flex that core. So another way to do this, if you're having trouble, is to get a band. Depending on your level, you can choose any of these bands. You can wrap it around, the bar. Wrap it around the bar. Step on it. And then just do the same motion. Bands are a great way to help you build up the strength in order to do them without the bands. So after you go learn all these tips, you should be able to hold a tuck front lever. So, move to the side. After learning all the steps, you do shrug, arm straight, knees in, raise, and just hold. So, that is essentially how to do a tuck front lever, usually the first progression of how to do a front lever. So if you enjoyed this, this is going to be a 2-part video. So first one was tuck, the next one will be how to do the rest of the front lever. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. And get ready for part 2. Thank you.